Hi, I'm from SunnyCam. Let me take you on a little journey that's going to change your world. It's 2023, but taking photos with your phone in the sun is still a pain. Whenever you want to take beautiful pictures, the sun rays always gets in the way, either darkening or brightening the image more than it really is. Consequently, you either spend a lot of time trying to take only semi-good pictures or stop taking pictures altogether. This is a problem that most modern phone cameras aren't prepared to deal with, but we bring to you a solution to that problem. If the camera does not have a built-in function, then an accessory should be added to it, and that is exactly what the SunnyCam is. A device that can be clicked onto your mobile camera. We created this lens hood with polarizing filter that can shield from sunlight, prevents lens flare, and reduce glare from afflicted surfaces, which means that you can take a lot better pictures when having fun with your friends in the sun. This product is useful for anyone who relies on taking good quality pictures, for example at work, but also to anyone who wants to capture their memories of their life outdoors without the pictures getting ruined by the sunlight. SunnyCam will also be more accessible, as it will be cheaper than buying an expensive camera, and thus giving every single person the opportunity to capture better pictures with their phones. We plan on SunnyCam being a more affordable option than an expensive camera and offer repair and cleaning services for SunnyCams in case it's needed. This product can be easy to get, as it can be bought online or in electronic stores. This accessible product will be your solution to unclear photos in sunny days.